Welcome to Careers 360. The National Testing Agency has started the CUET 2024 registration process in the online mode. The candidates are advised to visit the official website, which is cuetug.ntaonline.in. Applicants must ensure they have completed the entire registration process within the deadline, which is March 26. The NTA will conduct the CUET 2024 examination in hybrid mode from 15th May to 31st May. Candidates are advised to keep all the scanned documents ready before filling out the CUET 2024 registration form. Remember, the document should be uploaded within the prescribed form that is set by the NTA. Watch the entire video to know how to fill the registration form of CUET 2024. The candidate needs to visit the official website, which is cuetug.ntaonline.in. The first page is coming here. The student first need to click on the registration here section. Then this page will pop up. Then the student needs to click on the new candidate register here section. Then the candidate needs to just go through the detail which is required for the examination. After which the candidates have to add the personal details such as candidate's name, date of birth, gender, father's and mother's name, email address and other details. Now this review page will pop up. Candidates have to check all their personal details whether they have added it correctly or not. After that, students have to click on I agree section and then submit and send OTP. After all this process, there will be a OTP sent to your mobile number which you have to verify. Login credential will be sent to your mobile number and your email address both. Now students need to complete the application process using their login credentials which has been sent to their email address. Now candidates have to click on the complete application form. Then they have to add all the remaining personal details in these sections. Now they have to add the qualification details. After that, they have to click on I agree section and then save and next. Now candidates have to add their preferred university and program, after which they have to click on I agree section and then save and next. Now candidates have to select the test papers and medium of test papers. Then they have to click on I agree section. After that, the candidates have to select the exam center and choice of city. Then save and next. Now candidates have to upload their documents such as photograph and signature. Now the candidates need to review the application form. Now the candidates have to click on the Pay Now button and complete the registration process by paying the fees. So this was the entire registration process of CUET UG. Now students have to download and take a printout of the application form for the future uses. To know more about CUET examination, you can check the description box below.